Building a slide deck by hand in 2026 is like typing out a spreadsheet by hand. It made sense once, but it doesn't anymore. Claude Cowork can take any document you've already written, a business plan, a research brief, an investment memo, a data set, and convert it to a fully designed PowerPoint presentation automatically. Every layout, every section, every slide. You just have to feed the document. Let me show you how. Before we get going, I just want to make sure that you guys are set for this video. First thing is you need to make sure that you have the Claude desktop app installed and you are on the Cowork tab. So you cannot go to the Claude website. Right now, Cowork is desktop only. And you can see I have Cowork on here. The reason why is Cowork will access folders on your computer. So what I actually have is in my documents, I have this folder called Cowork PowerPoint. That is what I'm going to be working with here today. I'm going to supply you guys with this document as well as this claude.md file, which stands for Markdown. And if that sounds confusing, it's not. We're going to cover it a little bit later on in this video, but this is a critical file if you want to have a specific formatting for your PowerPoint. So really important that you have that. But create a folder on your computer, call it Cowork PowerPoint, whatever you want for this tutorial, and we're going to get going on there. Next, I just want to quickly show you this document that was built out. This is just a document I had generated by Cowork, and this is based around an investment strategy. Imagine myself and Matt are going to be investing in an AI company called AutoStack that competes with NAN, Zapier, and Make. Obviously, completely fictional company. I use NAN quite a bit. I enjoy using NAN, but you can see competitive landscape over here. And I thought it'd be a fun thing to throw in this video. Key features, AI advantage, etc. This is a 14-page document, and we are tasked to make a presentation based around AutoStack AI. Now, this would take me hours to build out, and I think we're all in the same boat, especially like fine-tuning this, making sure all the slides look nice, presentable, and building it out. You can see AutoStack AI, small businesses. It's going after 10 to 500 employees. I'm an investor in there. We have a thesis, we have a revenue model, a lot of good detail over these 14 pages, and we're going to build this into an investor deck. So first thing we're going to do is choose our specific folder. And then you can see I'm in my Cowork PowerPoint folder. I'm going to choose select folder. You can always allow or just allow. I personally just use allow 99% of the time for the ones. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is prompt this over here. I need help building out a PowerPoint presentation. Next thing you want to do is kind of describe what your target audience is, or at any type of additional detail. For this video, I'm going to just say, keep it high level. Keep this high level. I am pitching a company to multiple YouTubers to see if they want to be early investors. And then I would just specify the document to build the presentation off of. Document. And I'm just going to grab that document name. So that is okay. And now also I'm going to say for the formatting, please follow the guidelines in the claude.md file. Lastly, if you have any questions, ask me them before you build out the document. The PowerPoint, should say. Okay, so let's walk through this prompt. So I'm giving it the definition, like I need help building out a PowerPoint presentation. Keep this high level. I'm pitching a company to multiple YouTubers to see if they want to be early investors. The document I want you to build is a presentation off of. You build the presentation off of. Yeah, I read that. Incorrect, but that's the correct way. And I have the document over here. For the formatting, please follow the guidelines in the claude.md file, which I'll show you guys that. And once this is done, lastly, if you have any questions, ask me before you build out the PowerPoint. Because Cowork is really good at asking you questions before it does build out stuff. Sometimes it won't. So if it's a little bit confused, make sure to add this additional line. I find it increases the accuracy of what you specifically want. Also, maybe you want to specify how many slides. So I'm going to say, and I should actually put this above. So at the most, I want 8 slides. Do not include the first slide as part of the 8. So we'll see if it picks up that for the 9 in total. And I'm going to click Let's Go. Obviously, you can choose your model. So you can use Opus, Sonnet, or Haiku. I'm just going to keep this at Sonnet and click that. So now it has our information, our prompt. It's going to start this up and it's going to probably read the document first. And I will fast forward to when it starts asking us questions or anything like that, as well as additional information. One thing that is worth noting, Cowork has a PowerPoint skill. So you can see over here in the skill.md, it has PowerPoint. So this is what allows Cowork to build out a PowerPoint presentation. And one of the beauties of Cowork is you can actually build out custom skills for use cases. I spent this weekend building out 4 custom skills, which help with the YouTube channel. And there's a lot of others that I'm going to be building out as well. Now, I've talked about skills in our 3-hour Cowork course, but I do plan on making an individual video on skills. So if you want to learn a little bit more about skills, make sure to check out that 3-hour video or my future video on skills. But you can see I've read through the full document, great content to work with. Before I build anything, I have a couple of questions. So when we asked over here, this is really good because it will essentially prompt us. So the doc doesn't mention specific investment ask. What should a deck tell YouTubers how much you're raising and what you're offering in return? And I'm going to say, leave it vague for now. That's fine. Imagine you're trying to raise some capital. Let's say I want to raise 10% at a 20 or 200 valuation. It's fine. Which 8 slides should I prioritize? Here's my recommended structure. Let me know if you'd change anything. It never sent me the structure, so I don't know, but I'm going to use its recommendation. And this is good because that document did not specify the specifics. And obviously this was just a generated document a little bit earlier today, but that is perfectly fine. Okay, so it's thinking. I'm going to let it build the PowerPoint slide deck. I assume it's going to take probably 5 to 10 minutes, and I will be back when it is ready. In addition, one really important note, you need to have your computer on as Cowork is running. It cannot go into sleep mode. You cannot turn it off. So if you do, your PowerPoint presentation will stop. So adjust your sleep mode settings. I know in the past, I set my sleep mode like 5 or 10 minutes. And sometimes if it's a longer query, it takes a while to build out something, my computer would shut off and Cowork stops. So please change that on your computer, especially as you build a slide deck, because this will take longer. It's not a 1-minute job. Anyways, I'm going to fast forward to when this is ready and we will be back with the results. All right, so it said my slide deck is done. So I wanted to walk through it. You can see it kept thinking it's to itself, writing the deck, doing a QA analysis, talking about how parts of the deck are clipped. And then I hit my rate limit over here. I updated my billing and it kept giving me I'm out of extra usage. Not sure why. I restarted it as well as my computer. Then it worked again. And then it fixed that QC error over there. This is all 9 slides look great. Obviously, we told it 8 slides plus the title slide. And we have our pitch deck. We also have our presentation over here, number slide, as well as the style and what's happening. So now for featured cards. So let's actually take a look at this PowerPoint and see how it performed. Great. So this is the presentation. And let me actually move my face out of the screen. So we see AutoStack AI workflow automations for small businesses. market opportunity. Why now? Obviously, this is a little bit outdated, but that's based off of the document. The product, competitive advantage. Now, I will say I probably should have included some pictures to kind of spice up this slide deck a little bit. I did not do that, but looking at it slide over slide, a lot of time people will make boring presentations. So far, the design's different, and we're weaving in and out of different colors. We're highlighting business model pricing, final projections. This is pretty cool. The team over here as well. Investment opportunity, which it asks us that specific question. What we want to do with that equity investment, long-term vision, as well as exit strategies. Took a document and built that out. This would take a lot of time to format this, build out the slides, and then QC it. Now, all we have to do is just QC it and make subtle changes to the language as we specifically wanted to. Now, you might be wondering, it's like, okay, well, I built this out. My company has a personal style. Like, how can we actually do that? And this is where the claude.md file comes in handy. So I'm going to open that up and show you. So this is our claude.md file, and this essentially gives us the instructions on how we actually want to build out this PowerPoint. Now, you might look at this and you're like, I don't know Markdown. This seems like it will take a lot of time. Well, you know what? Cowork can actually help you build out this file. You give it examples of PowerPoints that you like, you give it color examples, and it can build this out entirely for you. So you can see context, we have the output format, how we specifically want it, the library that was used, the script, output files. So the color theme associated with the doc, you might see these are familiar. You can see it highlights those specific colors. We go back into our documents, take a look, same exact colors. So we're not relying on AI to build out its own style guide. We're telling it exactly what type of style we specifically want, which is awesome. You can see slide structures. If we had 16 slides, obviously if we only use 9 over here, layout rules. So you can specify that as well. Partner bio format, and then what happens after generating. So again, you can specify this directly and build it out. I think it's really, really powerful on that side of things. So you can think of all the colors, the structure, etc. Put that into this claude.md file. And all you have to do is keep that in the folder as I showed you guys. But you know what the best part is? At the very end, not only do we build out the slide deck, it's already thrown into this folder too. So we can still use this in other ways. We could upload this into Google Slides. We could email this out to the people that we're pitching, but it automatically builds that slide deck and saves it. Now, if you want to make any specific changes, it will go through, make those changes and update this file as well. So maybe you want to make a change and say, can we change on the title slide, AI workflow automation for SMBs to workflows, no matter the size of your business. I don't know. That's just something that came up right away. And let's see it make those specific changes. It'll also go through and make it changes over here as well as the final PowerPoint presentation. So check it on the side, see what you like, what you don't like. Feel free to make additions, and we'll make this change and we'll probably add in one more change as well. So I'll fast forward to when this is ready and see that. And that was pretty fast, probably like a minute or so. And obviously, like if it's such a small change like this, I probably would have just done it myself and just said the file is updated now, which you can do that as well. But I just wanted to show you that it could build this out. And you know what? Let's say we want to have one more slide. Let's add in one more slide. Feel free, go through the doc, add in something you think is missing. Super vague, by the way, but let's see what it says. Okay, so looking through the doc, the go-to-market structure is the clearest gap. It's one of the strongest sections. The investors always want to know how to get customers. It also directly speaks to YouTube audience since the channel #1 acquisition asset looks clean. And then we have this over here. So let's take a look at this go to market. No, I don't see it's in this. However, sometimes this lags and we're going to have to actually open this up as a file. So let's load this up. Now I don't have PowerPoint on my computer, so hopefully see that. We now have 10 slides and we have go to market over here. Now I can't populate this, but you can see hopefully here in the left, we have the go to market strategy. Honestly, no need for me to have PowerPoint since I use Google Slides all the time, but it is directly built in here. So that would have been right after product, but this is kind of lagging sometimes. And I've noticed that. And you could also open this up in PowerPoint as you particularly need it. So that is essentially how Claude Cowork can build out a slide deck within minutes. And man, this is something I wish was around a few years ago. I used to have to manually build out slide decks for presentations for our executive team, looking at risk and underwriting numbers. And I spent a lot of time. I feel like that could have been fully automated. Obviously, you don't have to just upload it a document. You can upload it spreadsheets as well and do some data analysis on it to build out a slide deck. And there's other opportunities out there, as I mentioned, like throwing in different types of images. I just threw it in a Word document and let it do its job. Anyways, if you think this is helpful, make sure to check out some of my other Cowork as well as any end videos here on the channel. We also have a free Skool community. So if you're going to grab all of the notes from this video, it's going to be on there. And we have calls every Wednesday, whether it's like 5 or 6 Eastern. So make sure to join that as well. And I will catch you guys in another video.